Hello, today we are going to make a review about the Chicco Baby Carrier Go brand. So this is the original one for the Chicco Go. So we can see this is the front of the box. It carries from 3.5 kilo to 9 kilograms, and this is the side part of the box. You can see there is two positions, one from 0 months and this is from 4 months, and some instructions here, and this is the back side of the box. So we can see here before we unbox it. So it's this is the contact in Italy, and there is all of them, like the original one and the copy one. This is original, and we are going to show how to differentiate between the original one and the copy one. All of them are made in China, but the original has some differences we will show. Like here you should find the contact in Italy, and there is some numbers which identify the this box especially, and we will see it inside the box also. So let's open the box and see. So the first point, once you open it, you should find the user manual. This is very important. You should find it. Any copy version will not have the user manual from it. It's Chicco Go, and here Chicco. You'll find it with multiple languages. All the languages will be here. It explains how you should use the carrier for different positions. Okay, and it states also the same address here. It's in Italy, the origin of Chicco. So now we are going to show the baby carrier itself. This is in the red one, and you should see here this part in white, and Chicco is written here in the middle. One note also that you will see this, there is some instructions printed here. Those instructions, it states here the weight for this baby carrier, and you should see here Chicco is written. As we mentioned, this is also made in China. And here you will see the same number we have shown on the box from outside. It should be the same number. We can show this one, and it should be similar to this. The same numbers should be here and here. Okay. So this is like the position of using the carrier. The baby will be here, and you should. This is on the back of the mother or the father, and you should connect this like this. Once the baby is there, from both sides. Okay, it's like this, and this one like this. Okay, so you can carry and put the baby here and close this one also. This is on the back, and this is the front. The baby can his face can be to the father or mother, or to the people outside after 4 months. We hope this helps you to identify the original Chicco carrier, and good luck. Thank you. Bye.